Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to see you here. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on where things stand right now. I did have my spine surgery a couple days ago. So far, it's been a huge success. They were able to lift the bone off of the nerve that was causing my leg pain. I woke up free of pain in my leg. My back, on the other hand, was another issue, but I was just utterly amazed that my leg was pain-free. But I am still in the hospital. I've been running a low grade fever off and on. There's some things going on with my lab work and my blood platelet counts, so that I think they're going to be doing a couple of units of a blood transfusion. Let's see. You can see I had a PICC line here. I had one here. I had one here. I've got one here. I've had them all over the place. But I am doing well. I'm still being pretty well medicated because I do have to lay on my back where the stitches from the surgery are. They did take the drain pick out, which helped a lot to not be sitting on that needle all the time. They are keeping me pretty well medicated with morphine, Flexeril, and oxycodone, so I'm doing well with those medications. They made a back brace for me that I will have to wear anytime that I'm up and moving, so you will probably get to see that lovely piece of hardware when I get home and start doing cooking videos again. Let's see, I think that's about it. Oh, here is my view outside my hospital room. I just thought I would show you what a lovely view I have. This is my view from my hospital room. I have an amazing waterfront view, so I didn't even know all this was here until just a little bit ago, but yeah, I thought I would share my waterfront view with all of you. So yeah, the hospital sits kind of right on a channel that goes out to the ocean, so it really is a pretty spot. I think that's about all I have. I did want to say thank you to the amazing channel growth that I have gotten in the last few weeks. I will go back to doing the meal tray shorts as I am able to. It will depend on when we get our food trays, how noisy it is, if I have someone in the bed next to me. But I will try to get back to those. I will say the food here is kind of hit and miss. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. But the care has been top-notch. My team of doctors comes in every day to check on me. Physical therapy comes in. They didn't come in today, which surprised me because they were supposed to, but we're also waiting on an x-ray to make sure that my spine held together when they got me up after the surgery. So we are waiting on that. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm just going to keep this short because it's going on 2 a.m. and I do need to try to get some sleep. I just wanted to thank each and every one of you for your support, your prayers mean everything to me. For new viewers, just thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Even just that little bit helps. So thank you for that. I just really appreciate you all more than words can say. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, I'm gonna cut this short now. I will do another update as I can do them. Yeah, I think that's about it for now. So I will end this by saying be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.